In this video, I'm going to show you how to create an account in Cara App. So the first thing you want to do is type Cara App inside Google, and then the first thing that pops up is Cara App, which is cara.app. You want to press it, and then once you're on their official website, which is cara.app/explore, you want to go up here where it says login or sign up. So you want to press on sign up, and then you can read all about it, and then click sign up yet again. And then in here, you can sign up using Apple or Google, as you can see, or your email, which is the third option. But I'm going to select Google this time because it's the easiest way to log in. So you want to click sign up with Google. Then you want to select your account, your email account, press continue, and then wait for a few seconds, and there we go. As you can see, you're now redirected to where you can set up your profile. So I'm going to do the instant how-to. I'm going to check that as a display name, and the email is already in there, and the username will be the same as my display name. And website is optional. Bio is also optional, so you can put in a website. So let's say you have a website, you want to put it in, you can do that. Bio is optional. I make tutorials. There we go. That's going to be it for me. And then the location is of course optional as well. Invite code optional. I don't have one. If you have one, you can put it in there. And then the profile view settings, you can have it as portfolio or as timeline. And now account type can be business or individual. You can select this depending on what you want. And then you want to click I understand that Cara app is still in beta. And then once you've done that, you want to press save. And as you can see, it says the username must be between 4 and 20 characters, lowercase or numbers only. So I have to put this into lowercase over here. There we go. Let's see if now it will go through. There we go. It went through, and that's it. That's how you create an account in Cara app.